Looking for the best folding tables? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 folding tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. FourUp 6 feet table, folding utility table. Very sturdy and safely holds up to 500 pounds. Supported by strong, sleek, metal legs and frame. Folds in half and is fairly easy to carry. Includes carrying handle. Easy to store and move. Simple to assemble. This 6-foot table is roomy and strong enough to hold items for crafting projects, picnics, and parties. Too heavy for some reviewers. Some received product with dents. At number 2. Office Star Resin Multipurpose Folding Table. A solid design that's easy to fold and move. The resin top is easy to clean and resists stains, scratches, and impact. Has powder-coated legs and a top that folds in the middle. This quality table is the best choice if you're watching your budget. With a capacity of 300 pounds, it's less sturdy than some. At number 1. Lifetime Height Adjustable Folding Table. Made of thick and durable steel and plastic. Folds in half and has a built-in carrying handle. Easy to set up, transport, and store. Does not take up too much space. Holds up to 200 pounds. Adjustable height. Lightweight. A reliable, 4-foot table that can safely hold many heavy objects and be easily stored or moved to a new place. Textured top is not great for writing. Some had problems collapsing the table. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.